Pandawa Beach is located in the southern part of the island of Bali, Indonesia, and is one of the most famous and popular beach destinations on the island. With its wild beauty and clear blue sea, Pandawa Beach attracts thousands of visitors each year to relax and enjoy the peaceful space. With fine, white sand, clear blue sea and surrounding high mountain cliffs, Pandawa brings a sense of peace and tranquility to visitors. Relaxation activities such as resting on the beach, sunbathing, or immersing yourself in the cool ocean water are all experiences not to be missed when coming here. Pandawa Beach is located in the south of Bali Island, one of the largest islands of Indonesia. The geographical location of Pandawa Beach is specifically to the south of Kuta urban area, one of Bali's most famous tourist destinations, about 12 kilometers from Denpasar city center. Pandawa Beach is not only a famous tourist destination on the island of Bali, but also an important source of income for Indonesia's tourism industry. Pandawa Beach's attraction to international and domestic tourists has contributed to creating a ripple effect that has a positive influence on the local economy and community. With colorful bikinis and shining sunlight, they radiate the confidence and vitality of youth. Under the sunlight, their skin radiates a soft glow, creating a natural and sexy beauty. Animal nature and coral reefs are two indispensable elements in the marine ecosystem. Marine animals and coral reefs are important components of aquatic habitats, playing an important role in maintaining biodiversity and ecological balance. Thank you everyone for accompanying Wandering Channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to support us and not miss any future videos. See you on the next adventures.